Maggie again, and I am in on my phone. It's like really fun. And yeah, so I'm texting my friend T-Bone, and it's really fun. And I'm saying hi, it's Mag. How you doing? Yeah. Ooh.
Aren't you supposed to be doing your homework?
Yeah. Sorry.
So why isn't it being done?
It's gonna be done. It's gonna be done. Okay.
Read that book now.
Okay. In case any of you guys are wondering, then yeah, my mom didn't die. She's just unconscious, sadly. But right now she's sort of in hangover, so don't mind her. Back to the reality show.
Read that book now. Do that book before you go running out of bed. Sit back. Now. Now. You don't need no cover for that.
Okay.
You better do your homework before I take the phone back.
Okay. Still reading.
What? Have a date with Michael Jackson? So you better continue reading and doing that homework when I get back.
I still can hear you.
It better be all done.
I apologize. Who do you have a date with?
Michael Jackson. And so when I get back, that homework should be all done. And if it's not, ooh, you are going to be sleeping outside.
Okay. Bye. Kisses. Can you believe this? She's on a date with Michael Jackson. Let's throw a tea party. Okay, our first guest is Mr. Teddy. I did surgery in his back, and now he has the hole. And now here's Poochie. Poochie is she's a little, gay. Anyway, let's throw the tea party. What type of music is that? Let's throw a party. Yeah! Get it. Oh! Whoa!
Yeah!
Oh, I forgot to invite
Booga Booga!
Booga Booga is the big fat gorilla my mommy got from her boyfriend Radushia. He's Indian. And something else. Look at Radushia! Yay! Uh-oh, I hear the door opening. It's Mom! Hi!
Home. She's home. What is all of this?
Nothing, Mom. I just had a tea party.
With these boys, I don't believe it.